story by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Hey kids! Do you like food and fun games? Let's go on a kitchen adventure. Let's play! Question 1. Guess. What is this? Spoon? Shoe? Yes, it's a spoon. Great job! Question 2. Choose. Where do we put food? Plate? Hat? Awesome! Plate is correct. Yum yum! Question 3. Fill in the blank. C, blank, P. What is missing? U, C-U-P. Cup. You're so smart. Question 4. Guess. What is this? Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Yes, fork. You're doing amazing. Fun activity. Clap 3 times if you love food. Clap, clap, clap. Say yummy. Question 5. Choose. What do we use to cut? Pillow? Knife? Correct! Answer. Knife. Super thinking. Question 6. Read. P-A-N. What is it? Correct answer. Pan. Woohoo! Question 7. Guess. It keeps food cold. What is it? Fridge! You got it! Question 8. Choose. What makes smoothies? Blender? Book? Yes! Blender! Yummy smoothies! Fun activity. Point to your kitchen. Can you find a spoon? Go, go, go! Question 9. Fill in the blank. P, blank, T. Oh, pot! You're on fire! Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below. Question 10. Guess. Where do we bake cake? Oven! Amazing job! Q11. Choose. What makes toast? Toaster? Car? Correct answer. Toaster. Crunchy toast time. Question 12. Read. S-I-N-K. What is it? Sink. Wash, wash. Question 13. Guess. We flip pancakes with this. Correct answer. Spatula. Fun activity. Jump 2 times. Say, I love learning.
What heats food fast? Microwave, ball.
Correct answer.
Microwave. Ding ding. Question 15. Fill in the blank. B-T-T-L-E. Oh! Bottle! You did it! You did amazing! How many did you get right? Tell me your score in the comments.
Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.